Ever wondered how to make unique homemade burgers that will tantalize your taste buds? Imagine taking the reins and creating a burger that is truly your own, with a twist of international flavors. Today we're venturing into the realm of gourmet burger creation, highlighting two standout recipes: the light flavorsome Japanese chicken burger and the irresistible hearty steak cheeseburger, crafted in the style of Korean street food. Ready to embark on a culinary adventure? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of homemade burgers. First stop, Japan. Imagine the flavors of teriyaki chicken nestled in a soft bun. The Japanese chicken burger is a delight for the senses. Let's embark on this culinary journey together. To start, you'll need some key ingredients: succulent chicken breasts, sweet and tangy teriyaki sauce, creamy Japanese mayo, crisp lettuce, and of course, fluffy buns. Kick off by marinating the chicken breasts in teriyaki sauce for a minimum of 30 minutes. But, if you can manage it, leaving them overnight will allow the flavors to really soak in. Once marinated, it's time to fire up the grill. Cook the chicken until it's golden and juicy, making sure to baste it with more teriyaki sauce for that extra punch of flavor. While the chicken is grilling, let's turn our attention to the buns. A light toasting will add a satisfying crunch and prevent them from getting soggy. Now, it's time for assembly. Spread a generous layer of Japanese mayo on both halves of the bun. This will add a rich creaminess that complements the teriyaki chicken beautifully. Next, place a layer of crisp lettuce on the bottom half of the bun. This will add a nice crunch and a fresh contrast to the savory chicken. Now place the grilled chicken on top of the lettuce, and then cap it off with the top half of the bun. And voila! You now have a mouth-watering Japanese chicken burger. But don't fill up just yet, we've got another culinary delight coming right up. Now let's jet off to Korea, where we're going to recreate a popular street food item, the steak cheeseburger. First, let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need to bring this Korean street food masterpiece to life. Our star of the show is, of course, the steak. We're using a well-marbled ribeye cut for that perfect blend of tenderness, juiciness, and flavor. Then we have the cheese, a rich, melty cheddar to give our burger that irresistible ooze. Next, we're going to need Korean BBQ sauce, a sweet and savory condiment that's going to elevate our steak to new heights. It's this sauce that gives our burger its distinctive Korean flair. Of course, we can't forget about our pickles, which add a much-needed tangy crunch to balance out the richness. And finally, we've got our buns. Soft and slightly sweet, they're the perfect vessel for our mouth-watering creation. Now, on to the preparation. Start by seasoning your steak with salt and pepper on both sides, ensuring every inch is well coated. Then, it's time to hit the grill. Sear your steak on high heat, letting it develop a beautiful caramelized crust. Once it's cooked to your preferred doneness, let it rest. This step is crucial as it allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a juicy, flavorful steak. While the steak is resting, lightly toast your buns and spread a generous layer of Korean BBQ sauce on both halves. Slice your rested steak into thin strips and layer them onto the bottom bun. Then top your steak with a slice of cheddar cheese and pop it under the broiler until it's beautifully melted and bubbly. Finally, add a layer of pickles for that tangy crunch, top it off with your other half of the bun, and voila, you've just made a Korean street food style steak cheeseburger right in your own kitchen. There you have it. A steak cheeseburger with a Korean street food twist. Now you can wow your guests with these unique homemade burgers. So, who said burgers have to be boring and predictable? We've just spiced up your culinary journey with a Japanese chicken burger, full of unique flavors, and a steak cheeseburger, infused with the vibrancy of Korean street food. And the best part? You can easily whip up these gourmet delights right in your kitchen. Remember, a burger is a canvas and you are the artist. So, go ahead and create your unique burger masterpiece. Until next time, happy cooking.